And right here you can see that triangle on the top left side is going to align with the triangle that's on the socket. So this is very simple, guys, but you just want to make sure that it aligns properly, because you don't want to bend those pins. Those pins are what makes contact, and it could cause a lot of problems if one of those pins get bent. But again, this is very simple. You just drop it in, make sure it's aligned, and lock down that retention arm. And then here's your CPU cooler. As you can see, this has thermal paste applied already. If yours doesn't, it should come with thermal paste, and you want to make sure you apply that thoroughly and properly. Some people just do an X, some people do about a quarter size dot in the middle. You want to make sure you don't over apply or